Good morning. Our team members are conformed by the doctors Omar, Adrián, Edgar, Luis, Beto, Rolando, and me, Dr. Rafael. Today we are going to talk about the stomach. Dr. Omar, can you tell us more about the stomach?
Good morning, and well, the stomach is placed on the left side of the abdomen, on the left side of the sagittal plane, and a little upward on the transversal plane.
One of the main functions of the stomach is that the layers release acids and also digestive enzymes, which will contribute to the main function of the stomach, digestion. The stomach also makes the chemical digestion, that is one of the decomposes the food you eat.
Good morning. Another important part of the stomach are the organs that surround it. One of the three most organs is the large intestine, located right below the stomach. The other surrounding organ is the pancreas, located at the right side of the stomach.
Morning. Now I have something very interesting to tell you. You know that the stomach and the umbilical cord starts to develop in the fetus at stage 13, that is equivalent to 30 days.
Good morning. Another important part of the stomach is the structure, which consists in diverse tissue layers. These are called the mucosa, submucosa, serosa, and muscularis.
Good morning. The stomach also has an internal structure that consists of gastric folds, which are needed for the stretching of the muscle to fit the food you're eating and hopefully transport it. The stomach is connected to the esophagus in the upper part and to the duodenum in the lower part of the muscle.
Thank you, Dr. Rafael. The second organ that helps the stomach to do their main process is the small intestine. Because the food that passes into the stomach goes to the small intestine, and this organ does several juices from accessory organs like the liver, pancreas, and intestines. Then this chyme is mixed and pushed forward for finally the process of excretion.
Well, now we're going to talk about some different types of diseases that you can get in the stomach. If you don't take care of yourself or just have a bad diet. So now Dr. Edgar will explain us the first disease we can get in collaboration with Dr. Omar.
Hi again, guys. Well, I'm here again to talk to you about gastritis. You may be wondering, what's gastritis? Well, gastritis is an inflammation in the lining of the stomach. The gastritis is produced by the imbalance of the gastric juices. Now, Dr. Omar will tell us what are the symptoms of gastritis.
Hi, the most important symptoms of gastritis is the pain that the person feels in the stomach, that in some cases they can be incredibly strong. Some other symptoms are gastritis, such as nausea, vomiting, they're the same, bloating of gases, loss of weight, or appetite. So if you feel any of these symptoms, it may be gastritis. You really would like to avoid every probability of reaching a chronic gastritis.
But gastritis is not the only disease you can get in the stomach. There are plenty of them. But today we're going to talk about one more, stomach cancer. Let's see what Dr. Luis can tell us.
Now let's talk about stomach cancer. The stomach cancer is one of the most severe diseases of the stomach, not to say it is the most common one. Stomach cancer can also be known as gastric cancer, and depending on the issue, cancer is located at different times.
I would like to support some information upon the errors of the stomach. For example, like any sensible organ, the stomach has its flaws, such as the excessive consumption of unnecessary artificial substances such as bacteria, for example, the meat. And it contains bacteria that can be spread by the cloning of cells.
For the stomach cancer, a new type of endoscopy was implemented in the country of India.
The innovation is important because it reduces the surgery times from about 8 hours to approximately 1 hour.
Leading to no scars, this new project has been implemented with few patients, but is currently being developed and finished to public finance around the globe. Its leading innovations are members from Nanyang University and are having a great impact on the avoidance of stomach cancer, cutting tumors on its way to provide efficiency.
Well, thanks a lot, doctors, for this information. Now let's see what Dr. Adrian tells us about the type of nutrition that will help us have a healthy stomach and avoid all these type of diseases.
Okay guys, now Beto will tell you some tips you can do in order to have a healthy stomach and a good digestion. Okay.